Welcome to Higher Education Updates channel. Today I'll be discussing on how to register for a KRPN certificate on a phone or a laptop. The certificate is required for Helb loan application or bank account creation for those with IDs. So the procedure is this. So you go on your Chrome on a laptop or a phone, then you search tax portal, iTax KRA portal. Then this will appear. You click on it. Then you go to new pin registration here. You click here. Then taxpayer type you select individual. Even if you are applying for any other person, just select individual. Mode of registration online form. Do you want to register for a pin with obligation? With no obligation, you say no. You go next. Here, media group. Make sure you select because you don't have any income. So then even if it's your parent or any other person, you select student. Unless if the person is employed, you select the sector that the person is employed in. But if the person has no any income or even is self-employed, you select students. ID number, you enter the ID number. So let me enter the ID number of the person. Then after that, you enter the date of birth of the person. So the date of birth is on so after you enter the date of birth, sorry, let me confirm. So after you enter the date of birth and the ID number of the person, all the details of the applicant will appear on the portal. So you just enter the date of birth, then the ID number here on top, then the details of the parents will also appear. Then after that, you enter the street road. So it depends on the town where the person is, but it's not a must you use the details of the location where the person is. For example, I can be here in Nairobi, but I can even use the details of Nairobi as the location of the person. There is no any problem. So street road, I'll enter Moi Avenue, town Nairobi, then building Afya Center, then county is Nairobi. For care certificate, you don't have to use the details on the ID or the birth certificate. Then here I'll enter Starehe district, then CBD, Nairobi CBD. Then postal code for Nairobi, it's 00100. So for postal code, if you don't know the town, for example, if it is Kakamega, you just go on Chrome and search Kakamega town postal code, then it will appear as 5100. Then when you go back to the KRA portal, you just search 50. Let me just search 5100. You'll find it somewhere 40, 50. 50, 50, let me scroll, 5100, then Kakamega will appear. You can see it here, but right now I'm doing for the postal code that is required is for Nairobi, so it is 00100. 00100. So after that, you should enter the email of the person. So the email, you enter it, main email address, and the email should be active on your phone, Gmail app. You enter the email, then after you enter the email, you click on the page, then in order you say okay, then you click send OTP. OTP number will appear of the person. Then as you wait for the OTP number, you go here down, you select no. Do you have an alternative email address? No. Do you wish to declare your bank details? No. Here you select, are you a partner, director, or trustee? No. Then would you like to declare your relationship? No. Then you go on the next page here, obligation details. You only select income tax only. Then you enter the registration date, the date today. So today is 31/01/2025. You only select income tax because you are not employed. Then here, source of income, no. Everything, employee, income, business, everything, just select no. Yeah. Then on the last page here, there's nothing that will fill. You only fill this arithmetic, which is 70 minus 1, that is 69. So the OTP is 9718. So you make sure you enter the correct OTP from the email of the and which is 9718 here. A phone number, you also enter the phone number of the 0100 590. So you also enter the phone number. I don't think if I have forgot. So if you have forgot anything, you just see on the last. You go on the last page, you click submit. If there's any mistake, I did not enter the box number. For box number, you just choose a number 89. Or if you know the box number, you can use the details of a school. Building, you enter any building that is around. It can be a high school, it can be a church, it can be a bank, anything, any building that is around, a hospital, anything. You just enter. Road, you can enter the street. If you don't know the street, you enter the road. Road you can choose, and like for example, if it's Kakamega, you just say Kakamega Mumias Road, Kakamega Kitale Road. Or if it's in Nairobi and it is a non road like Waiyaki Way or Jogo Road, you just enter those names. Then you go back, then you click on submit. You have registered this person as your primary. You click OK. Do you want to submit the data? OK. Then you wait. You wait until it loads. Then you will see a place indicated. Click here to download the PIN certificate. Then you download it. Then this is the KRA certificate. It should appear this way. That's how the KRA PIN